喂喂，聽到嘛？咁樣嘅，壞咗嘅好似，救命！我又唔知有冇直播緊，救命！喂喂喂，聽到嘛？聽到嘛？聽到嘛？死火，真係壞咗添！喂，聽唔聽到？大家聽唔聽到？聽到俾反應，唔該。聽到請俾反應。得啦，有啦，應該着咗啦。聽唔聽到？大家聽唔聽到？聽到俾反應。好，聽到唔該，俾聲音畫面冇問題，就請俾反應，俾心心哈哈，乜都好。聲音畫面冇問題，就請留言同埋留言打招呼。咁我哋而家36分啊，咁我個時間寫得唔好啊，咁37分啦，37分啦。咁咧因為咧，琴日個直播咧都係咧有啲慢啊，有啲窒啊，咁因此咧我就有冇人留言啊？嗱，如果有人留言嘅話咧，你就試下俾哈哈，即係你試下留個言，跟住你再俾哈哈。咁等我知道咧你留咗言，因為咧喺留言嗰度咧我而家乜都見唔到嘅。咁因此就咧，如果你有留過言或者留咗言咧，就俾個哈哈俾我，等我知道係有人留咗言，而我咧係見唔到嘅，好冇？你明唔明我講乜？大家明唔明我講乜？留言就俾哈哈，哎呀死啦！調轉咗 Apple 啲嘢插添，死啦！等等啊，得唔得啊？喂，有冇人留言啊？有喎，有留言喎，見到喎，留言見到啦。咁我個時間係錯，我話36分開始就唔好啦，38啦。咁咧頭先，因為琴日個直播有啲窒啊嘛，咁因此咧我就將我部電腦就熄咗佢。咁咧你可能覺得匪夷所思呢件事，但其實唔係好匪夷所思，因為我部電腦係幾年冇熄過噶啦已經。咁咧咁我就啱啱熄咗部電腦啦。咁理論上咧就應該會順啲，一熄咗佢重新開機，熄晒啲 app 佢，咁應該可能今晚咧就會順啲都唔定嘅。咁睇下先啊，係啦，咁應該而家我見到大家有留言啦，非常之好。咁我又見到有留言，又見到大家有反應，咁就 perfect 啦。咁我哋咧就等38分就開始啦。咁然之後點解今日會遲啲？不過今日都準時嘅，但係因為又要重新開個機咧，重新撈過啲嘢咧，咁咪遲咗少少啦。同埋咧，即係而家就嚟夏天咧，哇熱到我咧，即係頭先咧我係去咗沖涼嘅。咁本來沖涼就唔會干擾到嗰個原本嘅計劃嘅，都係30，即係11點半搭正會開到波嘅。但係一沖完成身又出過汗喎，黐線喎。咁咧，因此咧就我哋遲咗少少咁多啦，咁大家唔好介意啦，好唔好？咁而家好似聽講咧就夠鐘啦，咁我哋不如咧就開波啦，好唔好？咁等先啊！哇，點解咁少人嘅？喂，得15個人嘅，會唔會少得滯啊？會唔會有啲離譜咧個人數？咁如果大家喺現場嘅話咧，就俾啲反應啦，讚好啊、心心啊、留言啊、share 啊，乜都好啦，好唔好？有冇阿媽喺現場睇緊㗎？有冇阿媽同小朋友喺現場睇緊㗎？有就話聲我聽啦。有話聲我聽啊！有冇阿媽喺現場同小朋友睇緊㗎？有啊，話聲我聽。因為咧今日咧嘅粗口係比較嗱，我咧就同大家咁講啦，就我自己就唔講粗口啦，好唔好？我做呢一個電影卡通片直播嘅時候咧，我係唔會講一句粗口，一句我都唔會講嘅。留一口嗰啲唔計啦，但係唔講啦。總之我話唔講就唔講啦。咁咧，但係咧呢個卡通片本身咧係有粗口嘅，因為係一個即係一個好普通嘅正常嘅電影一套戲嚟㗎嘛。咁有啲粗口係好正常啦，係咪？咁但係嗰啲粗口我覺得係無傷大雅嘅。咁如果你小朋友譬如幾歲1、2年班都睇嘅，都冇我覺得 OK 嘅，我覺得都學到嘢嘅。咁但係爸爸媽媽同埋佢一齊睇啦，好唔好？咁我哋就咧正式開始啦。等等啊，好開始。
This is real.
Now, can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I actually reverse
There
time?
you go, Victoria. Why Arvis?
I did it.
Can you give me
I
an
actually
example
did
of a
it.
photographer who perfectly
咁我琴日都有講過啦，就係 I did it，I actually did it， 我真係做到咗啦。OK， 過去式啊 ，did it。
captured
I'm a
the human
human
condition
time
in black and
machine.
white? Anybody? Bueller?
Max, Don't freak out.
freak out 係咩意思啊？各位，喂，你哋 freak out 應該成日聽到喎呢個字。freak out 即係咩意思啊？freak out 即係好唔好緊張咯。OK，panic 就係個正經啲嘅字啦。freak out 就可能口語化啫，但兩個字都冇乜所謂嘅，即係唔好緊張，唔好緊張，要冷靜。
Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her
Keep it
images
together,
of
Max.
faces. You feel like totally haunted.
Wowzer, my old broken camera. When I took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question.
Right?
When I took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question。嗱，咁咧，因為咧佢啱啱倒轉咗時間啊嘛。OK，佢咧之前咧曾經試過咧唔覺意自己影咗張自拍照嘅，跟住然之後老師即刻就問佢問題啦。咁咧就講緊咧啱啱之前即係回到過去之前發生嘅事啊，就係頭先我影自拍嘅時候，老師問我問題喎。
If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
If he does again, I know this is for real. For real。呢度現在識寫嘅。如果老師真係再問，如果嗱意思就係咧，如果我再同自己影多張自拍照，影完之後，如果老師再問多次我問題嘅話咧，咁我就知道咧呢件事係真嘅，我真係可以咧倒轉時間嘅。
Yourself. Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation. Shh. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie, a dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not
Of
dreaming
course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has
I know I'm not dreaming this is real 嗱，呢句完全冇問題啦，唔使翻譯，唔使解釋啦。我知道我而家唔係發緊夢啊，而家呢件事係真嘅，全部現在識寫嘅。最後尾嗰句 I can tell 你要學啊。
popular
I can
since
tell.
the year
I can tell 點解啊？各位 I can tell 點解啊 ？tell 咗喎，係成日都見過呢個字，喺呢一度係點解啊 ？I can tell 係諗下點解？諗下點解 ？I can tell. I know I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming this。我知道我而家唔係發緊夢，呢啲嘢唔係我自己虛構出嚟，係真嘅。It's real 係真係真嘅。I can tell。I can tell 點解先？好多上文下理幫你噶咯喎。I can tell 係咪我可以講啊？絕對唔係我可以講啦。意思係咩啊？我知道咯。I know 啫嘛，個意思即係我知道呢件事係真嘅。OK。
1800s. Your generation.
So I
was
can go back in time.
for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead
I
yet?
couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out.
I need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out。咁呢度咧就我要快啲去廁所啦，然之後去睇下嗰個女仔有冇死到啦。呢句唔使解釋啦，我想你留意個高字，陣間我哋會再翻嚟呢個字度睇下嘅。
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
喂，你會點揀啊？如果老師問你呢個問題 ，OK， 第一個影自拍照，唔係即係第一個畫字畫像嘅畫家，到底係邊個咧？咁你會答 I feel sick 啊，定係 I have to use the bathroom 咧 ？I feel sick 即係老師我病啊。咁另外個答案就係 I have to use the bathroom，就係我要去洗手間啦。你會點答咧？揀咗啦，我要去洗手間。
But I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy.
But you are not going to get away that easy. Get away 係咩意思啊 ？Get away 咩意思 ？Get away 即係逃避咯。OK， 你唔會咁容易逃避到個問題㗎。OK， 雖然你個藉口好好，老師話 We can talk more after class。咁咧，你去完廁所翻嚟，或者我哋落咗堂之後，我再同你慢慢傾呢個問題。
We can talk more after class. Is there anybody
Oh,
here
shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me
Who
after
was the girl
class.
with the French painting?
And I need time to save that girl.
A process
呢度咧都有啲嘢可以學到
to
嘅
give。port.
Time to save that.
有好多嘢你係要透過睇真實嘅英文你先至學到㗎。老師咧想留我喺度喎，想留我喺度嗰個英文係咩咧？係咪 hold 咗嚟？如果個中文你會話 hold 咗㗎嘛 ？OK， 我留住個人咁咪 hold 住個人咯。英文唔係喎，佢個動詞係咩啊 ？Keep me after class 用個 keep 字喎，係咪有嘢學啊？呢個位係。
Girl.
A process to give portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind
The
again
Hungarian process
and give him the right
brought out
answer?
fine detail in people's faces, making them
咁又回到過去啦。
Max, Since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max. The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everyone. So far way.
留意下嗰個句子 ，Max is so far 逗號 way ahead of everybody， 咩意思啊？就係咧 ，Max is so far 啦，阿 Max 暫時呢一刻為止 way ahead 就遠遠咧就超越晒在座嘅咁多位啊！
Ahead of everyone. Hey guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly.
咁我哋琴日知道咧，就係佢哋而家成班學生就要交功課俾老師嘛。咁嗰份功課就係大家要參加個比賽，就係咧要影一啲嘢咧所謂嘅 everyday heroes 啦，即係每一日嘅英雄啦。總之係咁呢個就係嗰個比賽啦。咁贏咗嗰個同學最叻個同學就同老師一齊咧就出去唔知邊度展覽咧，咁就會好威威啦。咁呢個我哋琴日知道嘅嘢啦。
The winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world.
好。咁咧，原來咧老師就同老師飛去咧三藩市 San Francisco 啦 ，where you will be feted by the art world。feted 我哋琴日咪學過嘅，點解啊？受到藝術界嘅歡迎咯，或者受到藝術界嘅表揚咯。
It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together.
Get it together 又係琴日學過啦，點解啊？搞掂佢啊，做好份功課佢咁解啊。
Killer, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
我覺得呢度係寫得好嘅嗰個劇本係。It's time to be an everyday hero。佢份功課就係要影一啲 everyday hero，可能係校工，可能係抹窗嗰個工人。咁但係今次個主角就同自己講就係唔係啦，今次要我自己親自做呢個 everyday hero 啦。呢個我覺得劇本嗰個文字寫得好嘅，即係幾有趣嘅呢個位係咁樣去食翻嗰個字。
Yes, Victoria, you.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
好有禮貌咁樣講嘢。如果你讀緊大學嘅話咧，可能咧你有好多鬼佬嘅老師啊嘛，係咪？咁一個正常鬼佬講嘢咧，通常一開始第一句就係會 excuse me， 跟住乜乜乜乜乜，跟住先至講嘅。咁樣呢啲係好有禮貌嘅講法嚟嘅，學下啦。如果你身邊有啲鬼佬老師嘅話
Victoria, excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I'm not avoiding 啦，我唔係逃避緊你啊，老師，或者 not sure if I have one， 就係我都唔肯定到底我冇功課交啊，咁會點答咧？主角
I'm not avoiding, just
Biding time?
biding time， 咩叫 biding time 啊？咩叫 biding time 啊 ？biding time 就係你係咪想爭取時間啊？阿 Max。Right
Waiting for the elusive right moment?
moment 呢個意思係邊？嗱 right 就即係正確啦 ，moment 即係一個時機啦，個時刻啦，正確嘅時機。Waiting for the right moment 即係咩啊？係咪等靈感到咁解啦？意思就係、即係字面就係、你係咪等一個正確嘅時機啊？實際意思就係、你係咪等靈感到啦？Elusive 咧係個形容詞嚟嘅，就係、elusive 即係好難以解釋咯。你係咪等緊嗰啲咧好難以解釋嘅靈感到啊？阿 Max， 你係咪咁樣樣啊？你諗住？即係總之你係咪等靈感到啦？老師串佢啦。
exactly.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
咁咧有個人叫 John Lennon 啦，可能大家都識佢啦。咁咧佢就曾經咧好出名講嗰句説話就係咧 ，Life is what happens。現在式啊，生命咧就係、當你好 while you are busy making other plans， 就係你好努力咁樣去點樣譯好咧？我俾你哋譯啊，不如我譯唔到我而家時三刻。
Go on now. Don't let me stop you. I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here.
啱啱咧就Max 咧就啱啱到咗帶啊！佢用超能力咧回到過去咗啊！又咁咧佢就冇答到老師問題嘅，佢直接行出課室，一放學之後就
We talk about your entry.
entry 咩意思啊？參展作品啊嘛，琴日學過啦。
I'd never let one of photography's futures.
I'm on top of it.
咩叫 I'm on top of it 啊？喂各位，嗱，佢而家係冇功課交噶嘛，係咪？跟住佢想走出課室啦，老師即刻叫翻佢翻嚟，阿 Max 你過一過嚟交功課先。跟住阿 Max 第一句就答老師啦 ，I'm on top of it， 咩意思啊？我而家做得好好咯，我冇問題啊，我做得好好啊，暫時呢一刻都老師。跟住之後再加埋，佢知道老師會講 John Lennon 啊嘛，咁佢自己又講。
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
呢個都好簡單嘅 ，I have faith in you。呢個係好簡單嘅喎，難嘅係邊度咧？就係嗱，I have faith in you 就係我對你有信心啦。點解有個 in 喺度嘅？呢個就係難學嗰個位，你永遠唔知啲介詞幾時出現嘅喎。咁如果你係就咁學介詞，你學 in 嘅話，咁你知道係裏邊咁解啦。但係我三番四次都講，你有睇我哋講嗰啲 post 都有講過噶嘛。你唔好咁樣理解佢啊嘛，因為點解好多時都冇乜譜啊啲嘢係。咁咧，譬如呢一度咁計啦 ，I have faith in you， 10個鬼佬10個都會咁講，10個都會識咁講嘅。而佢之所以喺呢個位度識得加個 in 落去，並唔係因為佢學過介詞 in 係點解嘅。啱啱相反就係佢哋乜都冇學過，由細到大都係咁樣講嘢，人人都係咁樣講嘅。我對你有信心啊 ！I have faith in you, I have faith in you, I have faith in you。咁佢聽得多，佢自己就會識講咯。咁呢一個我相信係一個，我認為我相信係一個正確嘅學習方法嚟嘅，就係介詞你唔好去學佢，你唔好學佢，你透過大量接觸英文，你就會識用噶，你就會識用。如果唔係咧，你一定係用錯噶，一定永遠都用錯。
Working on it by today. I have faith in you.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom.
頭先我哋咪話咧，去洗手間咧就嗱，之前係用 go 噶嘛，今次用咩啊 ？I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom 喎。點解今次用 get 之前用 go 嘅 ？go 大家知道個意思就係去啦 ，get 個意思有輕輕咁多唔同嘅，你試下感受下咩意思？佢而家主角阿 Max 佢意思係咪話希望我夠時間去洗手間啊？你可以咁樣理解，中文咁樣理解都錯唔晒嘅。但係呢個 get 多咗重意思啊，係去到洗手間啊。OK， 去到洗手間就係 get 咁解啊，到達啊 get 嘅意思係有少少咁多唔同啊。
Please, please. I can't.
咁咧有網友就話get 係趕到咁解啦，都係一個非常之好嘅理解。喂，唔好俾嬲啦，俾嬲我 ban 你 account 啊，唔好俾嬲啊。
Anybody. They'll think I'm crazy.
You know I don't tease.
I hate that science class with the.
Okay, Max. Retrace every
OK Max, retrace every step。咩叫 retrace every step？ 呢個係個成語嚟嘅喎，我想講。但係你就咁照字面你都解到嘅，你覺得係咩意思啊？嗱，我先俾3秒去諗下咩意思先。好，咁咧開估啦。個答案就係啲咩咧？個答案就係照翻條舊路咁樣行啊！照翻條舊路咁樣行啊！唔係小氣啊，大佬！即係我都唔明有陣時咁你俾嬲嗰啲人係咩心態咧？即係咁辛苦咁樣咁做咁大壇大龍鳳，又唔係收你哋錢，基本上都係教緊你哋英文。跟住有人俾嬲喎，你係我，你興唔興啊？你係我，你興唔興先？咁咧翻呢度，原路折返啊！簡單啲講又係 OK， 跟翻條舊路，按圖索驥咁樣去做翻之前做過嘅每一個步驟啊，就為之 retrace every step 啊。咁平時會點樣用咧？就係譬如你迷路嘅，咁你要揾翻原本條路點樣行喎？咁你咪跟翻，你咪回頭望翻睇下原本條路係點樣行，你咪跟翻去慢慢出翻去咯。係咪講得999啊？ 但係你明咩叫原路折返啦，係嘛？咁總之 retrace every step 係個成語咧，就係總之做翻啱啱之前做過嘅所有嘢啦。
I washed my face. I shredded my photo.
Shattered 係咩意思啊？你見到佢個動作啦，就係搣爛張嘢啦，整爛嘢啦。
Butterfly flew in, and I took a photo.
Leave them out of this bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who
I can tell 又出現啦 ，I know 啊，I know 啊。
like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with!
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing
Ever
down!
Tell me what to do!
Wowzer, it's happening.
I need a hammer to break it open. You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would...
咁咧頭先咧呢度見到有個垃圾車噶嘛，咁佢就撳咗個 move 掣啦，就推開咗個垃圾車啦，跟住見到啲咩咧？佢需要一個錘仔一個 hammer 啊嘛。
ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this
好
happen.
嗱，我哋望下右上角，佢而家咧係攞咗個 hammer 噶啦，而家已經。
If I can reverse time.
咁咧，但係咧，同時佢攞個錘仔，同時咧嗰、個隔離嗰女仔就已經死咗啦，啱啱俾人射死咗啦。咁但係佢而家可以即係回到過去噶嘛，可以倒轉，可以回帶回翻個時間翻去噶嘛。咁你睇下左上角嗰行字啦 ，You are not affected by the rewind， 就係咧，如果你回帶嘅話咧，你個人係唔會受到任何影響嘅。咩意思咧？佢加多下邊嗰句做解釋 ，You retain facts。retain 係咩意思咧？可以解記得或者可以解保留啦。你知道嘅嘢會保留喺你腦海之中嘅。第一，第二就係咧，你嗰、個infantry objects 啊。咁咧，我諗 infantry 嘅意思咧就係一個表咁解啊。因為嗰個表可能羅列咗好多你要做或者你要買嘅嘢嘅一個清單或者一個 infantry 啊。咁但係咧 infantry objects 嘅意思咧，我咁呢個可能係個特別啲嘅字嚟，我意譯佢嘅意思啦。咁咧，我諗佢意思就係咧，你手上面攞到啲咩道具嘅話咧，你都會保留翻喺你隻手上面咁解啊。咁因為佢而家攞咗錘仔啦嘛，咁所以佢係有錘仔喺手嘅。佢即使回到過去之後咧，個錘仔仍然揸咗喺佢隻手度嘅。
And I can help her.
Don't ever tell me what to do! I'm
嗱，
so...
見唔見得？佢拱開咗架垃圾車，但係冇錘仔，因為錘仔已經攞咗喺手上邊啊嘛。
sick of people trying to control me!
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they? No way!
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real.
That 嗱，我哋好留心咁樣睇，就會學到好多嘢啊嘛。淨係呢兩句咧，夠學一世㗎啦已經。That did not happen。殺人事件剛剛沒有發生到啊。This cannot be real。呢件事冇可能係真嘅。一個係過去式，一個係所謂嘅現在式，兩個唔同嘅時態，完全截然唔同嘅意思嚟㗎。喺度講緊兩樣嘢係 OK。殺人事件冇發生到，我眼前嘅呢一件事。即係乜嘢都冇發生過，馬照跑冇照跳呢個事件 ，OK 冇人死亡呢個事件唔可能係真㗎，難以令人相信啊 ，OK 咁一個好簡單嘅過去式、現在式就表達咗一個咁複雜嘅意思啦 ，OK 如果我唔係咁講嘅 ，that did not 啦 ，that did not happen，that does not happen 啦，如果我咁做，如果咁啫 ，that does not happen 用現在式講喎，唔知你講乜㗎？咩叫 that does not happen 啊？點解用現在式講嘅？現在識講你咁，你講緊啲咩啊？乜嘢係冇發生過？唔知你講乜喎，完全係。但係 did not happen 就指緊就係殺人事件冇發生到喎。咁咧，因此就係呢啲現在式、過去式，貌似好簡單，學一世㗎要。
I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Freak out 學過啦，咩意思啊？唔好緊張啊嘛，唔好 panic 啊嘛。
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
再嚟繼續學過去式 ，I had to use the bathroom。嗰、個、保安鬧佢啦，跟住個女仔就鬧佢咩 ？I had to use the bathroom 咩意思啊？我啱啱要用廁所啊！頭先響鐘嘅時候，我啱啱嗰陣時咪用緊廁所咯。如果佢唔係用過去式講佢，如果佢話 I have to use the bathroom 有咩意思啊？佢而家想再入多次去洗手間咯，兩個好唔同嘅意思嚟㗎。咁點解個女仔遲咗出嚟啊？可能個個同學已經走晒㗎啦，走晒入去操場度避難定點樣樣㗎啦。咁點解個女仔而家先出嚟啊？因為個女仔話我頭先要去廁所啊嘛。
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to.
咁咧個女仔就話啦，咩藉口啊？跟住個保安就串佢啦 ，For whatever you are up to， 好似好簡單，好似冇心字喎。你解俾我聽啊呢句。For whatever you are up to， 係咪好似又唔知點解解唔到咁樣樣啊？你隱約 get 到個意思嘅，我相信，因為大家係叻噶嘛，在座大家都係聰明噶嘛。咁咧呢句説話係咩意思咧？就係我哋翻返前面先。
Fake that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to.
Excuse for whatever you are up to 啦。You are up to 嘅意思咧就係咩意思？就係你準備要做一啲唔好嘅嘢咧，就係叫你 up 就為之一個 up to something 啊。OK， 咁 up to 我當係一個成語啦，或者我唔知你點樣叫啦，我叫呢做成語啦。咁我譬如舉個例俾你聽啦。He looks suspicious。咁咧呢條友望落去好可疑喎 ，suspicious 啦。I think he is up to something。我咧就覺得咧 he is up to 一啲嘢嘅。咁 up to 係咩意思啊？佢會做一啲唔好嘅嘢咯。He is up to something 就係我覺得佢會做壞事咯。咁呢個看更就串佢啦，就係你嘅 excuse 咧就話你去廁所係個 excuse 嘛，個藉口嚟㗎嘛。係咩藉口咧？就係你去做 for whatever you are up to， 你準備去做一啲壞事嘅藉口咯。第二句都繼續都係難學嘅喎。Your face is covered in guilt。
Your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Covered in guilt.
嗱，呢個我覺得你應該明佢講乜嘅，你就咁一望落去，你應該 get 到個意思嘅。咁 guilt 就係好罪疚啊，咁樣意思啦。OK， 你塊面又好充滿咗罪疚喎，咁意思即係咁好明顯啦。cover 呢度咧係有啲難學嘅。OK， 咁 cover 就係遮蔽住啦。平時就係遮住啲嘢啊嘛，遮住啲嘢啊嘛。咁咧嗰個難可能個介詞 in 係難啊。嗱，介詞係完全基本上我覺得好多時候都唔知點解同埋冇乜特別意思嘅。總之個字係咁用嘅啫。如果你覺得 in 係古怪，你成日將佢變做 with 得一樣意思嘅。Your face is covered with guilt， 係咪感覺上面係咪清楚啲易明咗 ？Your face is covered with guilt。OK， 咁咧。平時個字譬如點樣用啦？舉個例俾你聽啦，就係、是、譬如bandage 就係繃帶啦。OK，the bandages were covered with blood。咁就咩意思啊？就係、是、嗰個繃帶咧就已經係滲晒血啦，成個繃帶都係血啦。Your face is covered in guilt 就係咧你成塊面啊，你成塊面都唔係俾啲 guilt 遮住咗啊！啱啱個意思就係相反，就係、是、你成塊面。都係一個罪疚嘅面啊！咁有人亦都好啦，就話你身有事啦 ，perfect 嘅翻譯啦，呢個係字面就係你成塊面都充滿咗罪疚感啊 ！OK。The
alarm tripped me out.
The alarm tripped me out。呢個又係啲好鬼佬嘅成語嚟嘅。如果你去 trip out 一個人咧，就即係話你即係點講咧？即係通常呢個字咧，呢個字有啲得意嘅。幾時用呢個字咧？通常正常而言就係咧，你吸咗毒啦，咁你個人咪暈暈地，咪 wing wing 地嘅，我哋廣東話叫做，咁嗰啲就為啲 trip out 咋。咁咧，今次就話咩咧？嗰個 alarm 即係嗰個 VVV 嗰個警報器，搞到我哋 trip out 啦。咁即係咩意思？就係嗰個警報器係咪搞到我哋 wing wing 地啊？你可以咁理解嘅，但係理解好啲就係嗰個警報器嗰個 VVV 嗰個響鐘啊，搞到我個人好神不守舍咯。個 alarm 搞到我好神不守舍啊！
Trip on out of here, Missy。
咁呢度整超英文噶啦 ，then trip on out of here。咁我覺得咧好型嘅呢個看更呢句係。咁咧我哋知道 move on， 咁 move on 就行啦。OK， 你識啦呢一個。咁嗱，我覺得佢呢個意思就係咩咧 ？trip on。咁咧呢度咧嗰個看更就好攞咗個 trip 字咧去用啊。頭先嗰個 trip out 個意思就係咧神不守舍啊，神志不清啊，懵盛盛咁上下意思啦。今次呢個 trip 咧。就係 trip 另外一個用法啦 ，trip 平時嘅用法就係咩？就係即係點講咧？快急步跑啊，快步行啊，咁上下意思啊。OK，then trip on， 咁你 trip on 咁你行啊，講緊就你行啊，咁行去邊啊 ？out of here， 行離開呢度啊，咁你快啲走啦，即係咁解啊。咁咧呢度係 好英文嘅呢啲咁樣嘅鬧交係，即係鬼佬先講到啊，華人講唔到，真係型啊！真係。
Are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
唔使解釋啦，係嘛？啱啱嗰兩句。
You look a little stressed out.
Stressed out 即係咩意思啊 ？Freaked out 咁解咯。Freak out 咩意思啊？咁啱啱學過就係好緊張、好 panic 咁解啦。同一個字，同一個意思嚟嘅。
Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all?
偏波係咪即係嗰啲，即係嗰啲好大粒嗰啲咧？嗰啲人打 war game 好大粒嗰啲彩蛋係咪叫偏波啊？我唔知喎。You are sweating pinball， 即係你嗰啲流汗流到好大粒嘅淚嗰啲汗珠啊，好，我諗佢係咁解啦。
You're thinking about. You could always be upfront with me, Max.
好，咁咧校長同阿 Max 同呢個女仔講嘢喎。咁校長見到個女仔咁驚咁緊張，校長係好人嚟噶嘛？原則上係咪 ？You can always be upfront with me。咁你即刻應該估到個意思係啲咩喎？個意思係啲咩啊？有啲咩唔怕同我講啊？有啲咩開心見誠咁樣同我講啊 ？Upfront 係個形容詞啦，意思係開心見誠啊、坦誠啊，有咩唔怕講啊咁解啦。
Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
好，主角又嚟到人生交叉點啊！一係咧就話俾校長，校長叫 Nathan 啦，原來一係咧就話俾校長聽發生咩事，一係咧就 hide the truth， 一係咧就唔話俾佢聽發生咩事。咁主角會點揀咧？揀咗話俾校長聽。
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around.
I just saw Nathan 咁啊呢個唔係 sorry， 原來校長唔係 Nathan 啊，對唔住 Nathan 係嗰個頭先揸住槍嗰個男仔，對唔住 sorry， 對唔住。咁咧我就見到啦，啱啦 saw 啦，啱啦，我就見到 Nathan 咧就拎住支槍咧揈嚟揈去啊 waving 啊，大家知道 waving 係揮手啦，咁 waving 嘅根即係咩？揸住支槍喺度即係亂咁揈咯，即係揮動支槍啊，揈支槍啊咁上下意思啦。
In the girls' room.
In the girls' room 繼續學啦，你即刻 get 到意思啦，係咩啊？類似啦，呢啲睇得多書、多真嘅英文先至學得到翻嚟噶啦。Bathroom, girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was.
好，呢一度都有嘢學㗎，我想講。你係咪肯定啊？校長英文點講㗎 ？You sure? You sure 係唔成句嘅喎，我想講係唔。即係根據我哋學嘅英文係唔成章法嘅英文嚟嘅喎，點解啊？英文如果要啱語法嘅話，一個最基本嘅原則嘅老師教我哋就係啲咩咧？一定要有動詞。老師有冇講錯咧？老師冇講錯，一定要有動詞。You sure 有冇動詞咧？係冇動詞嘅。根據我哋學嘅英文呢一句係咪錯 grammar 咧？呢一句係錯 grammar 嘅。實際有冇錯咧？呢個就係我哋要諗嘅問題啦。所以我點解呢一句有嘢學啦？呢一句係完全冇錯㗎。點解咧？因為咧喺講英文嘅時候咧，尤其是就係平時日常嘅交談咧，有陣時為咗方便咧，會專登省卻咗某啲字唔講嘅。而呢啲字咧好多時都係動詞嚟嘅。舉個例，其實校長想講咩咧？校長想講 Are you sure 啫嘛，大家都識講呢一句㗎啦。咁咧佢專登省卻咗嗰個字唔去講。咁呢個係一個好常見嘅現象嚟嘅。唔係錯 grammar，OK， 冇錯，佢係冇動詞，但係呢個係專登省卻一個約定俗成嘅做法，人人都係咁樣講嘅。如果你作為一個華人，作為一個英文唔係母語嘅人，你見到人哋咁樣講，見到個鬼佬咁樣講嘢，你話個鬼佬錯 grammar， 我覺得呢件事係超級無敵可笑嘅。而我想講咧，順帶一提啦，俾啲時間我説下教啦，好多人都中意咁樣做㗎。我係唔知啲人係。好奇怪嘅，你哋係我唔知你哋哪來嘅自信嘅，你哋喺邊？即係英文係人哋嘅語言，你有乜資格話人錯？ 你諗真啲，你有乜資格話一個英文係母語嘅人錯？冇乜資格話一個英文係母語嘅人錯嘅喎。而事實上人哋有冇錯？事實上人哋係冇錯，正式正規嘅英文嚟嘅呢啲係，唔係口語，即係你唔好當口語就係錯，你唔好咁樣諗，冇錯嘅。OK， 正常嘅 Are you sure？ 咁但係你唔講個亞字都係通，都係啱嘅，冇乜所謂嘅，因為個意思太明顯太淺白啦。咁幾時可以省略？幾時唔可以省略啊？答你唔到，我睇我啲書。
Scott, you sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay,
OK， 嗱呢度翻去後面先。He was 嗱，我哋望多次呢一句。He was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun。佢自己一個喺廁所匿埋喺廁所嗰度咧，係咁自己同自己講嘢，拎住支槍。I saw everything， 我見到晒啱啱發生啲咩事啊
I saw everything. He was babbling like
？He was babbling like crazy。babbling 點解啊？喺呢一度係前面教你嘅咯喎，前面講咩啊？佢喺個廁所嗰度拎住支槍喺度自言自語，唔知講乜啊嘛。babbling 嘅意思就係啲咩啊？咪就係自言自語，唔知講乜咯。唔知噏乜咁咪即係喺度口噏狂噏，喺度吟沉沉咁咪或者babbling 咯。
okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
呢一度繼續嗱，我匿埋咗喺後邊咧。I was hiding 啦，我當時嗱呢度好好啊，英文用得，佢唔係 hid 喎，佢唔係就咁過去式喎，佢係話 I was hiding 喎，個意思即刻收窄到去就係佢呢個女仔阿 Max 同埋嗰個揸槍殺人個男仔一齊喺廁所度嗰一剎那個時間而家移咗過去。OK， 喺嗰一剎那嗰度，當個男仔吟沉沉嘅時候，女仔做緊啲咩 ？I was hiding， 我當時有匿埋緊啊，有個緊喺度個意思喺度㗎，非常之好啦。好，呢一句用過去式講之後嗰句咧 ，I have the right to be there。點解呢度唔用過去式嘅？點解呢度唔用過去式嘅？我有權用廁所喎。喂，我有權，點解呢度一路都過去式？點解呢度唔過去式嘅？頭先咁多過去式，因為我有權去女廁係幾時都有權噶嘛。咁因此呢度咪現在式咯。幾時都有權，我隨時都有權用廁所噶嘛。咁係講緊兩個好唔同嘅概念，兩個好唔同嘅時間嘅。
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family.
OK， 咁啊嗰個我驚我讀錯佢嗰個 last name 啊。咁我哋知道佢叫 Nathan 就算啦。Nathan happens to be from the town's most distinguished family. OK，distinguished 點解啊？各位 distinguished 應該大家都知㗎，好特別咯。可能你知道個意思係 OK， 呢個都係唔錯嘅。distinguished 咧即係咧好難讀啊字，好勁啦，好傑出啦，好犀利咁解啦。OK， 咁咧阿 Nathan 咧嘅家族咧就係全鎮啊最傑出嘅一個家族嚟㗎。OK，happens to be 咩意思啊？都幾經常見到㗎啦。happens 就係發生啦，大家知道，但 happens to 係一個成語嚟嘅，意思即係咩？咁啱啊。OK， 喂，阿 Max 你講嘅嘢係咪真㗎？我好難相信你講嘅嘢喎，點解啊？因為咁啱啊！你講嗰個男仔阿 Nathan 啊，佢係全鎮最有聲望嘅人嚟，即係佢家庭啊，佢個家族係全鎮最有聲望嘅家族嚟，佢點會做啲咁嘅嘢啊？校長就問佢 ，happens to 係咁啱啊！
And one of Blackwell's most honored students.
同埋原來阿 Nathan 係呢間學校嘅 Blackwell 啦，係 Blackwell 最叻嘅學生嚟㗎。
It's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girl.
It's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon. Brandishing 咩意思啊 ？Brandishing 咩意思啊？學咗喎呢個字，睇咗咁多古仔，上文下理你一路都明，因為我一路解緊俾你聽㗎嘛。去到呢一個位，你唔可能唔明呢個 brandish 係咩意思㗎喎。啱啱阿 Max 話阿 Nathan 喺廁所嗰度拎住支槍做咩啊？揈嚟揈去啊嘛。喺度揮舞支槍啊嘛 ，waving 啊嘛，嗰個字係。今次校長講咩啊？阿 Nathan 咧 ，It's hard for me to see Nathan brandish a weapon。嗰個 weapon 指把槍啦 ，brandish 嘅意思就係咩啊？都係揸槍揈嚟揈去，都係揮舞支槍咁解咯，一樣意思啊係。因此你要明白一件事就係，如果你學英文，你唔係睇啲好高深嘅嘢 ，OK？ 你學英文，你睇啲你睇得明嘅嘢。今次呢個古仔。可能我哋會講成個月都唔定嘅，因為好長嘅個古仔係呢啲唔緊要嘅，我逐隻字解俾你聽嘅，幾乎係你一定係睇得明嘅。 咁對於我覺得啦，對於大部分嘅你哋嚟講咧，就係呢個古仔係稍為偏深少少嘅。如果你自己睇嘅話，睇啲淺少少嘅嘢，睇淺少少嘅嘢，你唔好覺得佢淺就唔理佢，就覺得佢咁淺，我實識啦。唔好咁樣諗，好多嘢學㗎。我幾乎每一句都喺度教緊你哋嘢㗎，係咁證明咗啲咩啊？證明真係好多嘢學咯。OK，我哋個主題係咩啊？嗰句説話叫做我哋要如果你觀而不察嘅話咧，咁就會義之千里啊嘛！我哋唔可以齋睇，我哋要細心咁樣觀察每一件事，我哋要重視一啲我哋睇得明嘅嘢。喺嗰度我哋好多英文可以學嘅。繼續講。
Bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
好啦，咁咧，然之後阿 Max 就話啦，咁然之後個男仔就走咗啦，拎張揈嚟揈去揈一輪，咁噏完啲廢話就走咗啦。跟住 I ran down here wondering what to do。咁然之後我就離開咗廁所，就喺度 wondering 即係諗啦，我就喺度諗咧，到底我有啲咩可以做啦？哎呀，校長 ，Are you going to bust him？ 校長，你係咪諗住去？你而家係咪會 bust 佢啊 ？bust 嘅意思即係咩啊 ？bust 嘅意思係咩？你有打 GTA 你一定知嘅，就係拉佢逮捕佢咁解咯。因為 bust 係個成語嚟嘅，咁你可能讀書你識 arrest 兩個都係 OK，冇乜所謂。
This is serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally.
I'll look 激死我啊！等等啊，回帶。
Wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is
I'll look into the matter。咩叫 look into 啊？各位嗱。校長第一句就話 This is a serious charge， 呢個係一個咧對阿 Nathan 同學一個好嚴重嘅指控嚟㗎。OK， 咁咧因此校長就話咩啊 ？I will look into the matter personally。咁咧 matter 就係呢件事啦，我會親自 look into 呢件事㗎啦。咁你 get 到啦，個意思係啲咩啊 ？look into 呢個成語調查咯，我會親自調查呢件事，係即刻有網友講咗出嚟啦，非常之好，叻仔，做得非常之好，大家。OK， 係咁樣學英文啊，就係非常之叻，做得好好，很好，繼續。
serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told
We'll
you?
continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Of course.
睇下左上角個蝴蝶咯 ，this 即係個蝴蝶呢個公仔啦。This icon means your action will have consequences。咁咧呢個蝴蝶公仔就話俾你聽咧，就係你啱啱做嘅事啦，就係你話俾校長聽啊 Nathan 發生啲咩事啦，呢件事啦，就會咧有一個結果嘅。OK， 你呢個前因話俾校長聽 Nathan 發生啲咩事，就會有個結果嘅。咁但係你可以做啲咩咧 ？You can rewind the change to change the outcome。咁但係咧你可以回帶去改變嗰個 outcome。consequences 係結果 ，outcome 係咩啊？都係結果咯。
Principal Wells always looks so distracted.
OK， 嗱 ，distract 就即係分心啦。Principal Wells always looks so distracted， 咩意思啊？各位，咩意思啊？各位，係咪佢成日都好分心啊？唔係，兩個字 ，distract 動詞係解分心。OK，distracted 咧形容詞嘅時候咧係解個人好點講咧？即係好多嘢諗啊，好多嘢諗啊，係好多嘢諗啊。咁咧咁咧，如果你叫我譯嘅話，呢個位就係咩？你望下校長個樣，好愁眉深鎖啊！佢校長個樣成日都望埋佢咧，好愁眉深鎖，好似好多嘢諗咁樣樣噶。I can never figure out， figure out 大家都知啦，個意思係咩 ？figure out 嘅意思就係 figure out 就係就係諗啦。我永遠都諗唔明咧，what's his thinking？ 我永遠都諗唔明咧，睇唔透咧，校長喺度諗緊啲乜嘅。
Never figure out what he's thinking. Does he hate me?
唔係心散啊，唔係心散啊，係啊，多慮多疑都係一個幾好嘅理解嚟嘅，非常之好，做得好，唔係心散。You won't be able to undo your choices after leaving this area。離開咗呢個 area 之後咧，你就唔可以再回帶㗎啦。咁離唔離開咧？離開啦，離開啦。
With Nathan Prescott, please come to the front office. Thank you.
好，咁我哋就 呢度就完啦。咁咧，我哋完嘅位咧就係佢講咩？就係咧，原來死
This
火
is real.
原來最尾咧就係咧，哎呀激死
This
我！
is real.
激死我！
Prescott.
咁咧原來咧阿校長真係叫咗阿 Nathan 咧去見佢喎。咁呢個就係今日第二集喺呢一個位完啦。咁到底之後發生咩事咧？咁我哋咧聽晚再睇啦。我哋講咗幾耐啊？我哋個直播哇講咗9個字咁耐啊！講咗9個字咁耐。嗱，平時咧嗰啲直播係大概講5到7個生字左右啦。咁都講15分鐘啦。而家講咗9個字啊嘛，我哋係咪9個字？咁即係根據平時會學到幾多隻字？一部學到15隻字左右啦，15至20隻字左右啦。OK，咁咧我睇下我哋今日學咗幾多隻字咯喎。Freak out 即係咩意思啊 ？Panic 啦，緊張啦。I can tell 咩意思啊 ？I know 咁解啦。You can't get away。get away 咩意思啊？你唔可以逃避個問題啦。你係咪喺度咧？bidding 係咪 bidding 定 biding？或者係分喺邊度啊 ？bidding 定 biding 啊 ？bidding time。OK， 咁咧可能我讀錯嘅，應該係 bidding 啊。我應該冇讀錯。好 bidding 咩意思啊？你係咪爭取緊時間啊？幫自己。你係咪喺度等緊嗰個咧 elusive right moment 啊 ？elusive 係咩啊？解釋唔到、難以解釋嘅 moment 啊。I'm on top of it。我而家做得好好啦。I can I hope I can get to the bathroom 啦。get to the bathroom 嗰個 get 係咩意思啊？唔係去廁所，係去到達個廁所啊。Retrace every single step。Retrace my steps 咩意思啊？就係按圖索驥，跟翻原路去行去做啦。你可以 retain 一啲 facts 嘅，你可以 retain 一啲記憶嘅。retain 即係咩？你會記得翻，你會保留翻啲記憶啦。Infantry objects 啦，咁 objects 咁解咧，一啲嘢啦。something you are up to 嘅意思係啲咩啊？你好一啲你會做嘅事係一啲壞事嚟嘅，通常係講緊。OK，your face is covered in guilt。Your face is covered with guilt。in 也好 with 也好，總之 cover with something 就係咩意思啊？就係你成塊面都係一啲嘢咯，一啲 guilt 咯，成塊面都係一啲罪疚感咯。OK，your face is covered with blood， 咁咩意思啊？你成塊面都係血咯。OK， 好啦 ，trip out 嘅意思係啲咩啊？原本意思就係解你吸咗毒之後，你個人暈暈地啊，你個人神志不清、懵盛盛就為之 trip out 啦。但係啱啱個意思係咩啊 ？The alarm tripped me out， 就係個 alarm 搞到我個人神不守舍啦。OK， 跟住然之後個看更就話 trip on 啦，咁你 move on 咁解啦，即係你行啦，你好。跟住然之後就話阿 Nathan 嗰個家族就係咩？一個 distinguished 嘅家族啊嘛，一個傑出嘅家族啊嘛。咁咧校長就話好難相信咧，阿 Nathan 咧就可以拎住支槍喺度 brandishing 啊嘛。brandish 咩意思啊 ？brandish 意思就係揈啦，同一道理 waving 都係揈下揈下啦。Are you going to bust him？ 喂，我又係冇背過啲對白，點解我識背嘅？嗰啲對白每一句都咁搞笑嘅。Anyway， 咁嗱，好啦，喂 ，Are you going to bust him？ 你係咪會拉佢啊，校長？跟住校長就話啦，咁講完一大輪之後咧 ，I will look into the matter personally。look into 呢個成語點解？調查、徹查啦。校長初見到阿 Max 嘅時候咧，就問阿 Max 點解你咁 stressed out 嘅 ？stressed out 即係意思就係咩？即係 freak out 啦，即係好 panic 啦，即係好緊張啦。咁咧校長就話 You can always be upfront with me。upfront 即係咩？對我坦誠啦，對我開誠佈公啦。跟住然之後咧，阿 Max 就話。阿 Nathan 咧廁所嗰度咧就 bubbling 啊嘛，自己 bubbling 即係咩？即係口噏唔知講乜咯，把口嗰度。OK， 校長就話啦，阿 Nathan 個家族就 happens to be the most successful family 唔知乜嘢啦。OK，happen to 係咩意思啊？呢個成語咁啱咁巧啦。跟住最尾阿 Max 咧同校長講完之後，校長好似想唔睬佢咁喎。跟住阿 Max 就心諗啦，見到校長個衰樣就話咧，校長個樣咧成日都 look so distracted。distracted 嘅意思就係啲咩咧？佢好多嘢諗啊！校長個樣成日都好愁眉深鎖，成日好多嘢諗啊！我看唔透，我睇唔透佢想講乜啊！學咗幾隻字啊？數下1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26隻字，你老闆啦！我哋用同樣嘅時間，如果我淨係教你啲生字，即係我淨係教你啲嗱，我用45分鐘去淨係教生字，淨係抽啲生字出嚟慢慢教你。我要教你幾多？我要教你9個字。啱我係睇咗9個字英文。呢9個字入邊，我哋不停咁樣接觸英文，狂接觸英文，成句英文咁樣學，成句英文咁樣吞落個肚嗰度。 OK， 你不斷咁樣睇英文，唔覺意學咗20幾隻生字喎，各位，唔覺學咗20幾隻生字喎，仲要基於一啲我都理解唔到嘅原因，我識背添喎，我睇咗第2次啫喎，我同你哋直播之前，我自己望咗一次，輕輕咁樣立咗一立，做咗少少筆記，我識背埋一對白添喎，英文係咁樣學㗎，各位，唔好再背生字啦，你背生字同你直接睇書去學。你學到嘅生字係一樣嘅，我想講，而你睇書去學，你學得更加多嘢，因為你成句英文學緊啊！我未講啲讀音，喂，我啲英文算屎啦，拍落去鬼佬嗰度，大佬頭先係咩啊？頭先係一班好出色嘅鬼佬，呢班係一班好出色嘅配音員。OK， 阿 Kylam 你可唔可以？喂，你係咪喺度？阿正你走咗未啊？你可唔可以話俾網友聽啲配音員有幾巴閉啊？有幾勁啊？一班好專業、好出色、英文講得好好嘅專業嘅配音員，噏咗45分鐘英文俾你聽喎，啱啱？你邊度可以揾到咁好嘅教材喺地球上邊？點解仲要背生字？我解唔通。你諗唔明你點解你仲要背生字嘅喎 ？OK， 效果係有過之而無不及，學到嘅嘢係更加多，效果更加好。因此英文係咁樣學，但係你自己睇嘅時候睇啲淺啲啊，呢啲係偏深嘅，我覺得係。咁咩為之淺啲啊？咁今朝咪講過咯，咪睇卡通片、睇漫畫嗰啲咪淺啲咯。仲你睇個中文版嘅更加方便啦，更加好啦。咁就係咁。咁咧講咗好耐，差唔多成粒鐘啦。咁咧我有機會我會 upload 上 YouTube 嗰度嘅，我將啲嘢，但係而家唔得閒整，因為我唔係好識整。咁我哋聽晚再見啦。咁如果你中意睇，覺得好睇嘅話咧，就讚好啦 ，share 俾朋友睇啦。share 俾邊個咧？就係如果你有朋友有小朋友嘅，我嘅讀緊書嘅，就 share 俾你哋嗰啲 friend 睇啦。叫佢哋同埋小朋友一齊睇啦。咁如果你有朋友考緊會考、讀緊中學嘅，或者係咁啊，都 share 俾佢睇啦，等佢哋學下英文啦。咁讚好啦。如果冇朋友 share 就讚好啦。置頂研究下睇下字，因為置頂會唔好㗎，置頂唔好㗎。有啲你唔好理點解先啦，置頂唔好㗎。總之你哋大家幫手讚好就好幫到手㗎啦。OK， 大家幫手讚好同埋share 俾朋友睇啦，好唔好？咁我哋聽晚就會繼續噶啦，咁啊再見啦，係咁，拜拜，係咁，再見。喂，你唔好走住先，唔好走住，我教多你哋少少嘢先。等等啊，反正都係啦，都講咗成粒鐘啦，唔爭在啦，係。咁咧，等等先，不是這個，等等，係啦，呢個，大家見唔見到我個呢個 Facebook 啊？咁咧，因為咧，你哋成日話啲直播睇唔到嘛，係咪？咁咧，你哋要做啲嘢嘅，你翻去我個 page 嗰個主頁嗰度，你電話都得㗎，電話、電腦都冇所謂㗎。咁你就喺 following 呢度咧，你就撳啦。你教 see first 同埋咩 notifications， 你全部都 on 晒佢。咁咧就一有直播就會話到俾你聽㗎啦。咁你就唔會 miss 㗎啦，好唔好？咁啊做埋呢一件事啦。咁啊收工啦，真係咁，拜拜，再見，拜拜。